Hello there, my name is Cynthia. An optimized website and a good website score is very important for SEO. There can be many issues on your website which you cannot find manually. For that, you need to conduct website audit frequently and rectify the errors. In this video, I'm going to show you how you should conduct your website audit to improve your website's overall health and the various platforms you need to use to ensure perfect site audit. So let's get started. The next important on-page factor is that you need to check your links, that the links mentioned on your page do not have any issues. That means they are not broken links. So to understand that, you can add this extension, that is check my links extension on Google Chrome. So here I have selected the extension. It is already there on my extension panel. So I'll just show you how it works. This is a website that I have. It has a lot of links on this page. So I'm going to check whether these links are proper or not. So this is how the extension looks. You just have to click on it. Okay, so once you click on it, it is going to analyze all the links that are there on your page. Okay, so it is going to color code those links, okay, which are valid, okay, which are redirect links and which are invalid links. So here you can see that it is still loading and I can find 9 links are invalid. So the color of those links will be highlighted in red. Okay, so this is a link that has been highlighted in red. So I'll just open it up and check what is the issue, and accordingly I will connect with my web developer and fix those issues with the links. So here you can see that the link that I had clicked on has a server error. Okay, so I need to fix this. I need to connect with the hosting provider and get this fixed. Alright, so this is also a very important factor because it is a part of user experience, and when a user comes on your page and clicks on the link and they see some error, here you can see it is mentioned what error it is. So it is not going to be good as far as user experience is concerned. So make sure that all the links that are there on your page do not have any issues or errors. So you need to get it rectified. Alright, so the first platform from where you can do a website audit is Ubersuggest. So you can have a paid subscription of Ubersuggest as well, but right now I'm using a free version of it. Alright, so I have just logged into Ubersuggest and I need to add my project. So what I want to basically do is a site audit. So here you can see on left side, Ubersuggest has so many options and tools for SEO, but since I have to do website analysis, I will be clicking on SEO Analyzer. Alright, so I just have to come over here and add my website. So I'm just adding my website link over here and I'll click on search. So just you need to add your website link and click on search. So what it is going to do is it's going to crawl your pages, it's going to scan your entire website, and accordingly whatever errors and issues are there, it is going to show you. So let's wait till the entire website gets scanned. So now it has completely scanned my website. Okay, there are more pages also, so for that I will have to buy the subscription, but since this is I want to show you the free part of it. Okay, so here you can see the entire data and the health of your website. So here this website score is 77, which is pretty good. Okay, we should aim for 90 and above. Alright, so let us see what are the issues that this website has. Okay, so here it will show you the health check of your website. Okay, it has crawled 162 pages. Alright, so out of that there are 105 pages have issues. Okay, there are 8 broken pages, 8 pages are blocked, there are 35 redirects, and only 6 pages are healthy. Alright, so let us see some errors. So here you can see critical errors. When I click on it, it will show me the issues that my website is facing. So first let me just select this. Alright, fine. So now what is it showing? 23 pages have a low word count. Okay, so when I click on it, it will show me all the 23 pages which has a low word count. So what I have to do in this case is to ensure that I add some content in it. But here you can see that these are basically photos and images. Okay, so these are basically images page, so I do not require to add content in this one. So let me check something else. So it is showing up 2 pages with duplicate title tag. So what does it mean that 2 pages are there which has same title? Okay, the title tag that I have added on 2 pages is same, so I need to go and rectify that. Okay, so 12 pages are blocked from appearing in search engine. So let me just click on this. So it is shown that these pages are blocked from appearing into search engine. So why is that it has been blocked? One of the reasons could be that it has been added in robot.txt. So I need to check whether it has been added or not, and if it is not added in robot.txt page, then I have to give a robots meta tag of follow and index. Okay, so you can connect with your web developer and look into this as well. So let me select on this warnings. Okay, here I can see all issues. I'll click on all issues. So here it is going to show me some of the issues. So as I said, I'll be clicking on warnings. So 51 pages has no meta description, so I need to go and add meta description on those pages. And then 15 pages have title which is too long, so when I click on it I will get the list of pages. So since this is a free version, I won't be able to check all the pages, but I can select a 7-day trial, or if I am buying a subscription, I can use this for the website audit. So it is very effective, and I would suggest that you buy their premium plan and then go for the site audit, because then you will get a lot of issues. It will show you, and all the pages that are causing problems you will be able to see. Okay, so this is Ubersuggest. The next tool I will be showing you guys is Ahref. So Ahref is a paid tool. You need to pay to Ahref. You can also buy a 7-day trial for $7. Okay, so since I have a paid subscription, so I'm just going to sign in. So Ahref is one of the highly used tools for site audit. All you have to do is, here you can see a site audit section. You have to click on it. Alright, so you need to add a project over here. So how will you add it? Here you can see new project. You can select new project. Okay, add manually. Then we need to add the name of the website. So I am just adding the name of my website and click on project name. So it is going to automatically find out the name of the project based on the URL that you have added. So here you can see the domain is accessible, and then you will click on continue. So you need to enable search, Google Search Console over here. Okay, so that you need to select, and once you add the Google Search Console, you just click on continue, or even if you don't have, it's okay, just click on continue. Okay, now in this part of Ahref site audit, you need to schedule how regularly do you want to do the site audit. Now I just want to do it right now. Okay, just for now, for the just once I want to do. And here you can schedule like weekly or daily or monthly, and when should the site audit start. That day you can choose the time and the date as well. You can choose the time, basically which date and how frequently. Now I don't want the crawl to happen in a frequent way. I just want to do it right now, so I'll disable this and I'll run first crawl now, and I'll click on continue. Now my website is India based and it's for Indian people, and I have some keywords, so I'll just add some of the keywords here. Okay, so these are my keywords on which I want to rank. Okay, so these are my keywords. I can even select from this option that comes over here. Okay, so I'm selecting a few, and once I am done selecting, I'll just click on continue. Okay, then I just need to select a few competitors and click on finish. So once I click on finish, what will happen is it will start checking your website. So you need to give in a few hours. Okay, you need to at least give 12 hours and then come and check whether your website has been completely crawled and properly analyzed or not. Alright, so here you can see that my website has been submitted and the site audit analysis has already started. So I have added the website already, and I can see here, you can see that I have added the same website already, and the score is 72%, which is pretty good, but I need to increase it. Okay, so I can bring it to 90 or more than 90, 95. All right, so for that, what do I have to do? So I have selected the project, and here you can see the issues which my website is facing is showing over here. So I have to just select view all issues. Alright, so all the issues related to my website will be shown over here. So there are certain things that you need to ensure and fix is 404 page. So 404 means someone who's coming on your website and the page is not loading, there is some issue, the page is not found or the page does not exist. So it is basically a broken link, you can say. Okay, or a broken page. So what you need to do is you need to give redirect to some other page. So on each and every issue on the site audit, you will see what is the issue and how to fix it. So these two elements will be given to you. So all you have to do is, here you can see a drop box, you just select it, and what is the issue and how you have to fix it will be mentioned over here. Now there are 7 links. It is showing there are 7 links which are having this 404 error. So how will I get these 7 links? Here view affected URLs is mentioned. I have to click on it. So it will show you all those 7 links which are having 404 error. Okay, so you need to give these links to the web developer, and you can accordingly strategize and accordingly remove this error that you have on your website. Okay, so I'll just go on all issues again. Okay, so similarly all these issues that I'm facing, I need to connect with my web developer and get it rectified. So whatever issue it is, you have to click on it and it will show you what the issue is and how you have to fix it. So basically do not require anything, you just have to come over here, your problem and the solution to your problem is already mentioned, and accordingly you need to optimize your website. Alright, so when it comes to on page, so there are many factors. So like, make sure that these factors, on page factors, are, you should give them the first priority, because your on page should be very strong for your page to rank, for your overall SEO. So here you can see that there are 60 pages which do not have a meta description, okay, or it is empty. So I need to give unique meta description. Unique means non-plagiarized. Same meta description I will not put on all these pages. Depending on what the page is all about, accordingly I will add my meta description. Same way, title is too long, so there is a recommendation as to how long your title should be, how many characters your title should contain, that is 50 to 60, right? So make sure that your title are properly optimized. So I'll just have to click on this URL, view affected URLs button, and I will get all the pages where the title is too long. Same way, meta description is too long, so I need to fix those. Title being too short is also not good for SEO, so even that you need to ensure and increase the length of the title. So these on page factors which are there over here, make sure that it is properly being optimized. Now, one of the things that you will always find when you do a site audit is your images do not have image alt tag. Alright, so here you can see there are 47 pages on which images are not being added. So through site audit, these small issues you can identify and you will be able to rectify. So when I click on view affected URLs, I will be able to see all those results, that is 47 pages and the images. So here you can see the page and which image it is that has not been given an image alt tag is mentioned over here. You can see on this page there are 7 images without alt tag. So all these optimizations I need to connect with the web developer and get it fixed. So this is how you do amazing site audit on Ahref. Is an amazing platform which gives you in-depth analysis as to what has gone wrong on your website and what are things that you need to fix. So there you go. Use these platforms to improve your overall website score and increase the health of your website for perfect SEO. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And also do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we keep making informative and educational digital marketing videos. If you want to grow your business, then connect with UnoSearch.